When it comes to protecting your home and loved ones in New Orleans, many homeowners focus on alarm systems, cameras, and motion sensors. While those are important, one often overlooked aspect of home security is the door itself, and more specifically, how it's installed. A properly installed door doesn't just look good or function well. It acts as the first and most important line of defense against intruders, severe weather, and energy inefficiency. Here's why professional door installation is essential for maximizing your home's security in the vibrant yet unpredictable environment of New Orleans. Reinforced entry against break-ins in neighborhoods across New Orleans, from the Garden District to Gentilly. Break-ins are a reality that homeowners need to be prepared for. Improperly installed doors often leave gaps or weak points that criminals can exploit. Whether it's a poorly aligned frame or a loose strike plate, these small issues can make forced entry much easier. A professional installer ensures that the frame is level, the hinges are secure, and the door fits snugly into its opening. Reinforcements such as long screws in strike plates and deadbolts that engage deeply into the door frame are standard features in a high-quality installation. These components dramatically reduce the risk of a successful forced entry attempt. Weather-ready protection for New Orleans conditions. The climate in New Orleans is notorious for high humidity, heavy rainfall, and hurricane threats. A door that isn't installed correctly may swell, warp, or leak, especially during storm season. Gaps around the edges can allow water intrusion, which leads to mold, mildew, and long-term structural damage. Proper door installation includes weather stripping, airtight sealing, and precise alignment, all of which help protect your home from the elements. In a city that often finds itself in the path of tropical storms, having a well-installed exterior door is as much about weather security as it is about burglary prevention. Enhanced lock function and durability. Even the strongest locks are only as good as the door and frame supporting them. When a door is off-center or installed unevenly, the lock and deadbolt may not align correctly with the strike plate, leading to malfunction or even failure during emergencies. A skilled installer ensures the locking mechanism lines up perfectly and works smoothly with minimal effort. This not only extends the lifespan of your locks but also ensures they provide maximum resistance against picking or brute force attacks. No weak points from DIY errors. Many homeowners in New Orleans may consider installing a door themselves to save money. But improper door installation can create vulnerabilities that go unnoticed until it's too late. DIY errors like uneven hanging, over-tightened screws, or missing insulation can compromise both security and efficiency. Professional door technicians are trained to avoid these mistakes. They know how to properly shim the frame, align the threshold, and secure the hinges so that your door remains strong and sealed for years to come. The upfront investment in professional installation is far less than the cost of a security breach or storm damage caused by an ill-fitted door. Boosted curb appeal with a secure finish. In New Orleans, where historic charm meets modern flair, your front door is a visual focal point. But beyond beauty, it should also communicate security. A well-installed, high-quality door with no visible gaps, strong hardware, and a tight fit makes it clear to would-be intruders that your home is not an easy target. Whether you're living in a classic Creole cottage or a modern townhouse in mid-city, the right door installation can blend elegance with durability, giving you peace of mind without sacrificing style. Final thought. Security starts at the front door. In a city like New Orleans, where weather and crime risks both run high, investing in proper door installation is one of the smartest decisions a homeowner can make. It's not just about aesthetics or basic function, it's about creating a resilient barrier between your family and the unexpected. Make sure your doors are installed by a professional who understands local conditions and prioritizes your safety. Your home is your sanctuary. Don't leave its first line of defense to chance.